Today, we're at our new facility in Lebanon, Tennessee, and we're very proud of this facility. It's 302,000 square feet, and it's the home for our innovation center, corporate office, and state-of-the-art manufacturing. So the potential, I never want to use the word unlimited, but when we built this facility, we built it for growth.
We've made a significant investment here to create the best assets in North America for producing polyurea chemistry. A single shift, we're in the neighborhood of 100 million pounds. With extra shifts, we could triple that, and with some modest investments, we could take that even further, well beyond the 300 million pounds a year mark.
Terry Pay and a handful of other people did a great job of designing this facility and contracting the right people to put together the batch manufacturing automation that we have. And it truly is state-of-the-art. The controls that are in place within that system, the engineering controls, our ability to control the inputs are truly significantly different than our competitors. And it's what allows us to make pound after pound within spec and ship it out on time every day.
What we learned very quickly is that we needed to control our own destiny, and that raw materials weren't necessarily available easily in times of crisis. And we made a decision to invest here, to vertically integrate, and to develop our own relationships with raw material suppliers, to control where our materials were coming from, and then ultimately have the ability to store raw materials here and then manufacture those raw materials, convert them into finished goods, and hold those for our customers to make sure that we could guarantee continuity of supply in times of crisis or at all times, really.
When we talk about world-class or state-of-the-art, some of the things that are unique is the ability for us to bring raw materials in, bulk raw materials, and to ensure they're within spec before they ever enter the facility. All of the controls that we have in the system allow us to produce that product on spec time after time. We've made tens of millions of pounds since bringing this online, and every single batch has been in spec. Truly a significant accomplishment.